Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of lectures on C++. I am Deepak Unyal, and this video I am creating for clearing some doubts on Git and GitHub. So if you have these PDFs, assignment 1 and 2, you can see the instruction here. When you push codes of this assignment, they should be inside assignment 1 folder, and this is similar for assignment 2 also. So here is the instruction for assignment 2. So it means whenever you are solving these questions, solution of all these questions should be inside a folder, and that is assignment 2, and similarly for the assignment 1. And overall all these assignments should be inside a parent folder that is called assignment or assignments. Okay, so some of the students are confused, how can they create a parent folder assignment or assignments and then create children of that with name assignment 1, 2, 3 and so on. All right, so what I will do, I will show you my directory and create some folders inside that and show you how can you also do that. All right, so let's go. Here is my GitHub directory, and I have a git repo here with name oop, which I have cloned from here and use this terminal for cloning that directory. So here is the parent folder with name oop here. All right, and if you look inside this, you have some files, and the first entry is dash. That means all these are normal files and there is no directory here. If you check git status at this moment, you will see that we have two new files which are not pushed. Okay, so what I have to do, suppose I have these files and all these are normal files, so you can create some directory for these assignments here. Right, everything you are doing here right now, just imagine that you don't have any git or github, right? Because that is the thing that is confusing you. So do as you do in your normal computer. So what I will do, I will create a directory with name assignments. So now check it again, and now you have one directory here. And how do you know that this is a directory? Because this is first entry here, which is D, so that means this is directory, right? And now after this you can move these assignment 1.pdf and 2.pdf to this assignments folder, or before that you can check git status, and you can see we have two files which are in non-staging area or untracked files. We have also added a folder, but that is not shown here because empty folders are ignored by git and we have to add at least one file to that. So just add at least one file, assignment 1.pdf, and I am moving that file to assignment. Similarly I will do it for 2 also. And now if you check ls-l, then we don't have assignments 1 and 2. Now move to assignment folder, check ls, and we have two files here, right? You can move out of this folder again and check git status. Now you can see one folder, and that is assignments. Now add this folder, assignments, check status again. Now we have two files inside this. Now you can see that we have created this folder here, right? You can do one more thing, check all the files. You can create one more folder like new folder and move all these files to this new folder, right? In that case, what you are going to do, you are creating a parent folder with name new folder, and then all these files are inside this. So you can do these many files in one folder, these many files in another folder, and so on. And finally you will add that folder to the staging area, and then you will see this green color, right? So everything you are doing is like same as you do in a normal computer, right? You must have made some folders and then folders inside folders and so on. I will not create this new folder at this moment because I hope you might have got this idea. So I have these files. Now what I will do, I will commit these files with a message that add assignment 1 and 2 to a directory. Or rather than writing this message add, I can write it move assignment 1 and to a new directory. So now you can check status again and we don't have anything. Clear? If you check ls, we have one folder assignments here, and inside assignments we have two PDFs available, right? And I will show you my GitHub account now. If I refresh it, I will not find those folder and files here, just because I have not pushed that code. And here we can see 20 commits, and last commit was 1 hour before. So let me push that code, and I have to push it to origin master, and now it will push all the code to the server, right? So there are at least 3 commits, I think, or 2 commits which I have not pushed, or maybe one. I am not remembering that at this moment. Okay, there is only one commit. And what is last commit? You can see it here, committed 1 minute ago. And click on this, you can see there is one PDF and another PDF in that, right? So go to OOP repo and see assignments here. This was committed 2 minutes ago. Move assignment 1 and 2 a new directory, and then assignments, right? So I hope you have got an idea how to do that. If you feel any confusion in this or any doubt in this, you can comment below this video and I will surely respond back. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and keep supporting. Thank you so much.